Brașov, Romania, at the foothills of the Carpathian Mountains, a VetCert course focused on the assessment and management of senescent trees was held. The course was organized by the Romanian Arboricultural Association in cooperation with the Arboricultural Academy and hosted by the University of Brașov. Participants from Romania, Hungary, and Denmark joined the program. They came from different professional backgrounds but shared a common interest: gaining a deeper understanding of trees that represent some of the most valuable elements of our landscape. Senescent trees are living archives. They carry the marks of time, the history of a place, changes in the environment, and the long-term relationship between people and the landscape. The course was led by instructors Bara Voiacicova and Jarek Kolajic. Its structure is designed to connect theoretical knowledge with practical experience. In the classroom, participants explored the principles of assessing senescent trees, their biological and biomechanical characteristics, and the importance of microhabitats, cavities, deadwood, and other features that are typical of these remarkable trees. An important part of the course was understanding that the management of senescent trees is not simply a matter of technical intervention. It is, above all, about finding a balance between safety, ecological value, operational requirements, and respect for the natural aging process. This holistic approach forms the foundation of VetCert certification, which is now recognized across Europe as a professional standard for the management of trees with exceptional biological and cultural value. But participants did not remain in the classroom alone. A significant part of the program consisted of field exercises in the landscapes of the Făgăraș foothills, where they worked directly with magnificent senescent trees. In the field, they could see how theoretical principles translate into real-world decision-making. How to interpret a tree's condition, understand its surroundings, identify valuable structures, and design management measures that genuinely support the tree rather than simply removing perceived problems. This practical component had another important purpose: preparing candidates for the VetCert certification examination. Participants practiced the way of thinking, documenting, and justifying decisions that is essential for the assessment process. The goal was not merely to memorize information, but to develop the ability to make independent and responsible decisions in situations where simple answers often do not exist. The atmosphere of the course was enhanced by the extraordinary trees of the Făgăraș foothills. Their massive trunks remind us that a senescent tree is not a symbol of decline. It is a stage of life with immense significance for biodiversity, for the landscape, and for human memory. The course in Brașov was therefore much more than professional training. It was a gathering of people who want to change the way we think about old trees, not as risks to be removed as quickly as possible, but as valuable living heritage that deserves to be understood, protected, and carefully guided through the decades still ahead of it.